this way. Where would I want that thing at? I don't know. On the bottom? Maybe. What's up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So, if you guys didn't see my turbo install videos, I think I have 3 videos on installing the twin turbo kit. I didn't drive much, so I didn't put filters on it. I just had turbo guards on the turbos protecting them because they are underneath, so a lot of debris will get in them. I'm driving the car a lot more. Therefore, we need filters. So, huge shout out to Her On Speed and Tiz Fab for the turbo kit, all the piping, everything to get the Camaro boosted in twin turbos. So they sent me some piping and filters. So we're going to install this today. I have, everything's apart, so I gotta figure out what goes on what side, but we got little heat shields that will go right here, and will protect heat from the engine bay coming in because the filters are going to be angled up. I'll show you kind of how it goes, but yeah. So it would protect the engine heat from, you know, heat soaking the turbos. So let's get to installing. There's not much room to show what I'm doing. So this is the skid plate that protects the turbos. The turbos are right here. Kind of loosen this one. I don't have any like power tools with me, so yeah, we're doing it all by hand. I got an extension. Okay. Jugs. So, I don't know, what the fuck, my hair is driving me nuts. Okay, so, I'm trying to see, like, if this one goes on this side. And it's touching something that's shocking, like, it's sparking. And I don't, it's already done it to me twice. I'm kind of scared. I need to go grab it. Fuck. I'm so confused. Ugh. This is... So, it's hitting the starter bolt, and it's freaking sparking, and it's scaring the living shit out of me every time it does it. So I got this to cover my hands. I don't really know like what else to do. I'm about to take this wheel off so there's room for me. I'm in the mood for this. Bye. Fuck. I gotta take these off. I am not having the day today. I am over it. God, my freaking back hurts. This fucking shocks me. No. It goes in like this. Wait, but I need this one on. How the hell am I gonna get the filter on this thing? Okay, here we go. Filter? There's no way. There's no way this is fitting in there. So I did all that. Then I freaking forgot. So if it was this way, it would go. Listen. Oh, now you want to work. Dude, seriously. I said seriously. Stay here. Oh my god. I want it. So basically, turbo's right there. Right there. We just gotta shove it through. So let's see. Let's see if we can do this. If I get shocked again, we're good. Should I put these clamps on? Probably should. No way. No freaking way. How are you supposed to do this? Let's see if you can see it. There's tubing here. So, plastic. So there's a clamp here, and it ends right here. So I'm gonna unclamp this and pull this down because the filter will not fit that way. So I might regret this. I guess we'll see. Okay, so that was not fun. I literally was getting so stressed out because you had to put the filter in first and then put the piping through for it to fit right. So I'm sorry if I didn't show you exactly what to do, but definitely make sure you guys go check out Her on Speed and Tiz Fab. They did all the piping, the filters, the turbos, everything came from them. So they're awesome. Look at my exhaust. I'll show you my exhaust. If you have not seen, look at that. The quality. And then you can see. But yeah, it was just pretty much figuring out how it was gonna fit and which way it was gonna go, and just some finagling, you know. But I'm so glad it's over with because I'm exhausted. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys at my next video, which might be a new project vehicle for the channel. Well, anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye.